chicken coming from the eggs or is eggs coming from the chicken, Tyler?
I mean, chicken comes
No, don't say it.
Is chicken coming from the eggs or is eggs coming from the chicken? I think it's chicken coming from the
You're
egg.
right. Chicken comes from the egg.
Yeah.
But egg come from the chicken too.
So who came first? The egg or the chicken?
the chicken.
No, the egg. The chicken come from the egg. So the
egg come from where?
The chicken. So who came first?
So who came first? That's the question for you guys. Ask them. Ask the face the question. Comment down below. Who come first, the egg or the chicken? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Today is the last day of school, and then
Can you say good morning first?
today is the last day of school, and tomorrow is the last day of school.
Wait, what did you just say? If today is the last day of school, how is tomorrow the last day of school? Also, that don't make any sense.
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
How does it make sense?
Or then we can start by Friday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday. Or then we can start by Sunday.
Come, turn around, skinny.
Sunday.
Skinny.
What if you can
Come.
call me Skunu?
You guys, we're getting ready for school. It's the last day of school. It's the
Because
last
I'm going to talk English.
You're gonna talk English today. And
Yes.
you're excited.
Yes.
That's what you do on Fridays, huh? Put your foot in. You guys, today will be a long day for moi. Sarah's up. Sarah's up and in her room. In her bed while I'm getting Ty ready. Then I'm gonna look after her. So we can all get going. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. We're finishing the week strong. As you guys can see, I'm in workout attire because I'm hoping to accomplish that today. But let's see at what point Sarah will allow me if I ever get it done. But I plan ahead. So if at any point I can sneak it in, it will be done. I won't have to be hurrying to flashy dashy put on my clothes on. It's already done. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, and finish the week strong. Finish strong, finish good, finish with good vibes and good motivation, and inspire somebody. Be kind to somebody. Right? You're gonna be kind to somebody today?
Yeah.
What else you gonna do at school today? You gonna speak loudly, I can hear you.
Be nice.
Be nice and
Be patient.
be
And
patient.
listen to my two teachers.
And
Be nice, not a follower.
butter.
Leader, not a follower.
Very good. What else you gonna do? Hold up your head. Hold up your head tight. Come on, I don't have time. What else?
And I will
Share.
share all the things that I have.
Alright, go put on your shoes, run along. You guys, the kiddos are having a little cold. Sarah is having a cold. Tyler is having a cold. Once you know Tyler gets sick, Sarah is gonna get sick. Come, Tyler, have this medicine. Hurry! So they're both battling cold. Sarah actually slept in my bed half of the night last night because she just having a hard time with her nose. Though I flushed the nose before she went to bed, but she still was whiny. Like after midnight, when she woke up for her when she woke up for her bottle, she was just not going back down at all. She just kept crying and crying and crying. So I had to just put her beside me, and that kind of helped her a bit. Alright, go put on your shoes.
Medicine, Mama.
Yeah, I know. Go put on your shoes. So yeah, that's what's up right now. I'm gonna go take care of Sarah real quick and show you guys her. Let me go get my girl. She's in her room. Hello. Hi. Hi, pink girl. Hi. Hello. What's that about? Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You're blowing bubbles? You're blowing bubbles? Toodles! 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 Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go make some green juice. Ready to go drop Ty to school? Ready to drop Ty to school? Ready to drop Ty to school? Ready to drop Ty to school? Excuse me.
Mama,
Ready to drop Ty to school? Yes.
He did some real talk. That's what we did, that she's going to start to have tea.
No, she'll have teeth long before she start talking. Okay? He can't wait for Sarah to start talking. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna make some green juice and head out to drop my boy to school. So I'll see you guys when we get back. Right? Fat cheeks?
Mama, but you say all of this.
Hey! Toughies later.
Bye-bye.
Oh God, I can't even breathe. You guys, I've been working out, running, doing abs, doing weights. Can you hear that? My girl is awake. Hi baby. Hi baby. She's been sleeping since we get back from from dropping Ty. So she's still in her winter cold outfit to keep warm. I didn't want to wake you, so mama just put you down same way, and you've been sleeping. Yes, let's go. Hi, you've been sleeping. You've been sleeping, and you let mama get a little workout in. Oh, you're tired. Hear that nose? Look at your hair. Having a bad hair day. Having a bad hair day. Alright, let's go. Mama needs to go get fresh. So I'm going to have to put you in a chair so Mama can go get shower. How about that? 45 minutes, I'll take it, girl. Thank you. You guys. Woo. Workout was good. I didn't show you guys too much because I know she would wake up. So I wanted to capitalize on every minute, so I ignored the camera while working out. But yeah, here we are, 45 minutes later. Sarah is having spinach and yogurt for lunch today. And to say the least, she loves spinach just like Tyler used to love spinach. No, what? You say no? You're funny. Huh? Good girl. Yes, you find the camera, you find it, you find it, you find it, you find it. You find it, you find it. You guys, we are on our way. We are at the supermarket actually, going to do our weekly shopping. We're making a night supermarket run, Friday supermarket run as usual. And it's a little bit chilly out, so we're here going to do a supermarket run. Babe got home and we just jumped in the car. Didn't even have dinner as yet, as we don't even know what we're gonna have. Gonna throw something in the oven for dinner, maybe some pizza and some quiche and something like that. But yeah, we are at the supermarket. How much in total?
All of them, for example, is 183 for this.
Yes, so it's 183 times 3.
Oh, I think that you can take
Any 3?
yeah, you take any one and you get
You guys, I love names.
If you don't want, you don't.
No, I just need to sweet up my mouth with one. One is enough. Ty, let's go. What's over here? Oh, forget it's Chinese New Year. When is Chinese New Year?
It's to be in time now. That's the reason why.
That's why so much of these Chinese things. Yeah, that's what Stephanie told me.
So they have a virus in China.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Celebrity, a lot of celebrating.
Babe just now let me burst out laughing in the supermarket. Babe say, honey, I'm looking at how you dress and the scandalous outfit. What a difference. Because right now I'm in pyjamas. He's a mess. Getting milk for Sarah. No, we don't buy Pampers in here.
This one, right?
Yes.
Supermarket and that is tomato.
Jumping right into the hall.
That is some orange.
Good job. And of course, while the boys in the hall, I'm packing out.
That's really black one.
Okay, come on, go.
Some avocado.
Good job.
Some kiwi.
And who loves kiwi?
Me.
Yeah. What?
No,
No, not at all.
More kiwi.
Good job. Tyler not looking.
Some cucumber make me strong, and for everybody, all the it can be a crack.
No! Ty!
Yes.
Shoot.
What's going on?
It can be.
Oh,
Black
okay.
It's so ripe.
What is that?
Cheapness no good.
That is galactic one.
Well,
For who? For Papa.
No, for everyone.
stop shouting, love.
For everyone, and they will crank.
You guys see what's in the camera frame? Y'all want to see his face? Show your face. Show yourself. Show yourself.
That is
Salad
something.
and cucumber.
Which one you started by? Which one you started?
Which one?
Well,
I
that's
didn't
what it's
start. I
happening.
finished the black one.
Oh. So you did that one?
Babe, obsessed with
That
cucumber
one?
No, you
tea.
can start with it. Me?
Yeah.
Not
Can
at
you
all.
put this away for me, please?
What is that?
In class.
Guitar.
Nine class. In class.
Une crosse, c'est pour faire quoi? Du hockey sur glace?
Oui, et pour faire du hockey.
C'est où qu'on fait du hockey?
À l'école, je fais du hockey.
Tu as fait du hockey à l'école?
Oui.
Ok.
Moi, je l'ai déjà fait.
Ok.
Oh, I know what it is.
A lot of eggs.
Yes, it's from chicken.
It's from the chicken. Are you sure? You sure this one is not from the cow?
Yes.
You sure?
Eggs don't come from cow, Ty. Papa tricking you.
It's not from
And where's shrimp coming from? From the chicken too? We have 2 packs of shrimp from the chicken.
No.
Where it's coming from? You don't know where it's coming from, the shrimp?
No. Papa?
The shrimp is an animal itself. Okay?
It's coquillas.
No, it's seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah, you find them in the sea.
Papa?
Yes, Tyler. You have apple in your hands?
Yes.
How many apples do you have?
4.
4 apples, and we have here some yogurt. Hey guys, I got 8 yogurt in the middle of the week, and 2 days after,
8.
they were all gone. I don't know where they're gone. Somebody eat them in the middle of the night.
Some biscuit.
Bacon, 2 packs of bacon. Same thing, you eat that when I'm not here?
Happy biscuit.
The Jamaican expression
More
of the day.
happy biscuit.
And a lot
Can
of
you
yogurt.
show them what you
A lot of yogurt for me. 8, 12 yogurt for Papa.
Well, you can tell somebody start eat back egg again.
Yeah, smells, your fart smell.
And both.
That's what you
Happy biscuit.
Oh Lordy, babe, we have to stop the camera, we have to stop everything. Tyler, this is an emergency. Red button, red button. Run.
My
Do you
cake.
know how to get here?
Mama, today is my cake.
Very good. Move. If extra, you see. Move, man. Let's do extra. Move.
Tyler,
Oui.
are you okay?
Yes.
Are
Do
you
you have some manners and some eggs?
eggs? That's when you say some eggs some chicken from the eggs.
Yes.
Is chicken coming from the eggs or is eggs coming from the chicken, Tyler?
I mean, chicken comes.
No, don't say it.
Is chicken coming from the eggs or is eggs coming from the chicken?
And
I think it's chicken coming from the
You're
egg.
right. Chicken come from the egg.
Yeah.
But egg come from the chicken too.
So who came first? The egg or the chicken?
the chicken.
No, the egg. The chicken come from the egg. So the
egg come from where?
The chicken. So who came first?
So who came first? That's the question for you guys. Ask them. Ask the face the question. Comment down below. Who come first, the egg or the chicken?
What you think?
The egg come from the chicken. Well, the chicken come from the egg. So who come first? Who come first, Ty?
Well, one thing that I'm sure is that I'm gonna eat filet mignon in the week.
It's a chicken.
Tell us where the chicken come first.
Chicken come
so where the
first?
chicken come from?
Goodbye from Jamaica.
Oh, chicken from Jamaica?
Yes.
And Jamaica come from the egg?
Yes.
Hey guys, we drink apple juice. We used to
No,
get...
you.
I drink apple juice.
Me
And now Sarah eating apple juice too, so...
Her drink, not eat.
Some more juice. We have juice for Tyler. I only take one pack. I hope it will be fine.
Yeah, because we have juice.
I'm thinking if I should get another type of juice
For Ty?
for Ty.
You
That's
can,
different
because
flavor.
Chloe's been having this one juice for a while.
So yeah, he can have
And he
different
like the-
flavor.
he like
I know
the-
he like apple juice, so maybe some things, or strawberry or something, something like this. Maybe
yeah.
next time we try. I
Yeah.
have some orange juice. So I'm starting to drink orange juice, but we have a lot
drink
of
fresh
orange.
orange.
So we.
Squeeze orange.
It's enough,
Another thing, we got milk again for Sarah. Starting to drink milk. Then Sarah, we're starting to go shopping for Sarah. Okay, one day she'll be big and she will do the haul.
Sarah, come take over the hall like a boss.
Some bananas. A bread, Tyler's favorite breakfast every morning I have to make it. Bread, toast, and Nutella chocolate on top of it. And yeah, we have some barquitas. As they call that, barquitas.
Barquitas, yes. Barquitas.
Tortilla is tortilla in like a plate. So you
But
put
it
everything
is
inside.
like
We like to get
colored
that in the middle of the week. That sounds
Dinner
good.
going in the oven.
That sounds good. And the galette with that?
The garlic can go in after.
Yes.
What else do we have? We have another bag. Then we went good today. We have some chicken, some more chicken here. We have some sweet pepper. That's why you call sweet pepper. Every color, Jamaica color, Rasta color.
That is Rasta.
Rasta color.
Can I?
We have some
No,
more.
don't open it. Put it in the
Happy
snack
biscuit,
section.
they're happy. It's called Happy Biscuit. Avocado. We have good avocado.
Can I just?
And we have some Chinese roll. Some Chinese
Oh, I
roll.
wanted to eat those too.
So you still can take off from the oven and put this nem. We call nem in French.
It's the same thing in English.
Nem.
I think.
Nem. Quinoa. We got a tree to decorate the house. We starting to do some plantation. So we have some
The
trees.
snack things.
We have what called that, Tyler?
Onion.
Is onion. You like to cut the onions?
No.
Did you ever cut the onions? You need to ask Mama to cut the onions.
Yeah, like this.
You know when you cut the onions, you cry, Tyler?
Yes.
The onions make you cry because the onions sad. So they tell you, when you cut them, they tell you stories, you know, but they tell you sad stories. So you have to cry.
Tyler, that is not true.
That is not true.
Ty, that is not true. Your father is a hot mess.
Yes.
So you want to know the stories of the onions and the green beans? And we have to wash. So I'm gonna tell you the stories of the onions that that meeting the green beans. And you have the avocado going to eat at the avocado house. Okay? So it's a crying story.
You're a hot mess, honey. Do the supermarket house.
We finish for today. We went fast. It was a good time. We always laugh at the supermarket. We always have a good time. Anything you have to add for your defense?
We're going to finish. You're gonna eat.
You're gonna eat.
Carry those around the back. Let me show you guys Sarah, because I know you guys wondering where is Sarah. Close this one. Look at Princess. There she is. Sarah. What you doing, girl? I soon can't put you in here anymore because you're going to start walk out. Look at you. Look at you. I soon cannot use this bed anymore. Huh?